Hey guys, this isn't a full video or a tutorial or anything. I just wanted to give everyone an update with some news and maybe show you guys some things that are going on with Stylized Station as well. First things first, I've received a lot of emails from people over the past couple of months, and because of the current situation that's going on globally, a lot of people really want to get the 3D artist coloring book, but they can't afford it. People have lost their jobs or money's just a little tighter. And I've received uh, almost maybe 100 emails like that. And I understand that with those 100 people, there's probably even more people who haven't even taken the time to email me. But in light of this, what I wanted to do is I wanted to let you guys know that I've now reduced the price, at least for now, to almost $100 off. So now it's $49.99. And this is the lowest I can go to make sure that I can still financially get by and take care of and support the people in my life. But for now, it's $49.99. This is going to be a limited thing. I don't know how long it's going to stay, but I just wanted to give people a chance that couldn't afford it now to now get it and enroll and start learning some Substance Painter stuff as well. If you've purchased it for full price within the past 2 weeks, so that would be November or October 13th, shoot me an email at stylizedstation@gmail.com and I'll get you compensated for the full price that you paid. So you ended up paying $49.99. So that's pretty much it. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to grab it. I'm actually very excited to do that because I really want to get more people in there. I know it's kind of like an exclusive club right now, but I really want to get some more feedback, and I've got another big tutorial releasing soon. So I was really looking forward to getting some more eyes on it and having people check it out and let me know what they think. That being said, also we've got in our Discord the Legends of Valhalla challenge has just recently passed the 2-week mark, which means there's 2 weeks left, and there are a ton of incredible submissions that have already come in, or at least work in progresses. And I am incredibly excited to see some of the final results. As you can see, people have got such cool stuff that's coming out, and I believe the deadline is November 9th. I could be wrong, and I'll double check and I'll add it in the description. But so far, if you want to compete, there is still plenty of time. Like, people have done all of this work in the past 2 weeks, so you got a little bit of time. And I really want to see as many people come submit as much work as possible. It's just for fun anyway, and you're gonna get your work critiqued by some industry professionals too for free. And not only that, we're giving away a bunch of really cool prizes. Again, I'll leave another link in the description. But overall, just want to let you guys know that the coloring book is now on sale. It's going to be on sale for a good amount of time, but eventually it will go back up. So just grab it now if you really want it. That's pretty much it for this week, guys. We'll get back to the tutorials later this week, but for now, I'll see you later.